If SketchUp is showing a graphics card error, a hardware acceleration problem, a driver state issue, or it refuses to launch properly, the good news is that this is often fixable in just a few steps. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best way to fix SketchUp graphics card errors, force SketchUp to use your dedicated GPU, and adjust your graphics settings so the program runs more smoothly. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's start with the most important step first, which is updating your graphics drivers. A lot of SketchUp graphics issues happen because the driver is outdated, corrupted, or not fully compatible with the version of SketchUp you're using. If you have an NVIDIA card, go directly to the NVIDIA website and download the latest official driver for your GPU. If you have an AMD card, do the same through the AMD website. Don't rely only on Windows Update for this. You want the newest driver straight from the manufacturer so you know you're getting the best compatibility and performance. Once the driver is updated, restart your computer. This is important because the new driver settings won't fully apply until after a reboot. After that, try opening SketchUp again and see if the graphics error is gone. If it still appears, the next step is to make sure SketchUp is actually using your dedicated graphics card instead of switching to the integrated one. This is especially important on laptops, but it can also happen on desktops with both integrated and dedicated graphics installed. Sometimes Windows or your system may choose the weaker integrated GPU by default, which can cause SketchUp to lag, crash, or throw graphics errors. To fix that, open the NVIDIA control panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, then find the Program Settings section. Add SketchUp if it isn't already listed, and then force it to use the high-performance NVIDIA processor. This tells your system to run SketchUp on the stronger GPU instead of the built-in one. If you're using AMD graphics, you can make a similar adjustment in the AMD software by setting SketchUp to use the high-performance GPU. The goal here is the same. Make sure SketchUp is using the best graphics hardware available on your computer. Now, if SketchUp still opens but crashes, freezes, or shows display problems, it's time to change the graphics mode inside SketchUp itself. Open SketchUp, then go to Window, then Preferences, and click Graphics. In this area, you may see options like Use Fast Feedback or other graphics-related settings, depending on your version. Try toggling the setting and applying the change. If one graphics mode is causing problems, switching to another can often stabilize SketchUp immediately. You may also see a list of available graphics cards or graphics options inside that Preferences area. If so, try switching between them and test which one gives you the most stable performance. After making a change, restart SketchUp and check whether the error is still happening. Sometimes a small graphics setting adjustment is all it takes to get the program working normally again. Another thing that can help a lot is checking your Windows power settings. If your computer is set to a power saving mode, it may not give your GPU enough power to run demanding applications like SketchUp properly. Open your Windows power options and make sure your system is set to high performance. This helps ensure your computer prioritizes speed and GPU output instead of trying to conserve battery or energy. If you're on a laptop, this step is even more important. Laptops often reduce graphics performance when they're running on balanced or power saver mode, and that can trigger SketchUp errors even if your drivers are up to date. Plug in your charger, switch to high performance, and then relaunch SketchUp to test it again. So to quickly recap, the best fix for SketchUp graphics card errors is to update your GPU drivers, force SketchUp to use your dedicated graphics card, adjust the graphics options inside SketchUp, and make sure your computer is running in high performance mode. In many cases, combining these fixes will solve the issue completely. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future SketchUp tutorials and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.